Hello and welcome to our beauty community, My Simple Remedies. So, we all love to celebrate special events like the wedding of our best friend or birthday parties, and we just have to look our very best on those occasions, right? Some of those events come towards the end of the month when we are a little short of money. So, what can we do to achieve beauty salon level results at home? Today, I will let you know how you can make an effective mask at home. Using this mask, your skin will become beautiful, flawless, shining, and glowing from the inside. Before we start, please like and subscribe to our channel. I need 25,000 likes on this video so I can continue to bring you quality homemade remedies. So let's start making this magical mask. First of all, we need a beetroot. Basically, we need its juice. So let's start by peeling the beetroot. After that, we will grate it with the help of a grater. As you can see, my beetroot is grated well. Now, strain it well to get the juice. Use a spoon to strain thoroughly and get the juice. And this is how you can easily juice a beetroot at home. Now, let's move on to our next step. But before that, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great videos. We will make our mask with the help of the double boiler method. First of all, add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder. I use fruit-derived gelatin powder and I recommend that you also use this one. Now, we have to heat the mix up for a while and keep stirring with the help of a spoon. As you can see, there are no lumps in the mixture. Next, we will add 1 tablespoon beetroot juice in the mix from the one we extracted before. Keep stirring well while adding the beetroot juice in the mix. When the mix becomes a little thick, you can turn off the heat. Next, take the mix off the hearth and put aside to cool down. When the mix cools down, you can apply it on your face. The mask has a sticky feel to it, so try to apply it as fast as you can, otherwise it might not apply that well. I guarantee you will see excellent results immediately from the first application. So, after applying on your face, leave it on for 20 minutes. Afterwards, you can peel it off like this. I'm peeling the mask off in front of you to show you how it looks like. Right after peeling off, wash your face with lots of cold water. Then, apply a lotion or a moisturizer. So friends, here's the final result. I think it speaks for itself. I don't need to say anything more. You can notice a natural glow on my face and my skin has become spotless, flawless, and clear. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and spread the word about My Simple Remedies. So, see you in my next video. Until then, bye!